everyone, the two Filipino aunties are back, and this time it's Auntie Sue's turn to cook, and she's going to prepare Philly cheesesteaks triangle, something different. Auntie Sue? This is a snack. It considered as a snack, or it can be a meal or appetizer. Okay, this is 2 tablespoons full of oil to cook this meat. This meat is a beef, and we call it minute steak because it's thin slice, and we need to cut into small pieces when we put it on the taco wrap or tortilla wrap. So we have to cook that, and this is taco wrap, you call it here, or tortilla wrap. This is where we will put it. We will cut it into half to make it a triangle, to fold it into triangle later. And this means 5 cloves of garlic, medium size of pepper, diced, and medium size of onion, diced, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, ground pepper. And for this mozzarella cheese, we cut it into triangle. This is a thin slice of mozzarella cheese, but we have to cut it into triangle to put in here later. Okay? And this is the paste with brass, 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 of flour to use as a paste. We have to mix it later. For this, we have to use this paste, okay? Now we're going to cook. We're going to start cooking this meat. Put the 2 tablespoons full of oil. Make it hot before we put the meat. Okay, so we're going to cook the meat now. When the oil is hot, we can put this meat. So you bought it sliced already, the thin slice?
Yeah, this is really for steak.
Steak.
So we call, this is thin slice, but they called it here minute steak because it take only a minute to cook because it's a thin slice.
I see.
Let's cover. Okay. This steak, but make sure we cut it into small pieces. Get off.
Make sure we have to cut this to small pieces before we're going to saute with vegetable.
To saute all
The ingredients
with that meat that we cook. We have 2 tablespoons of oil now to put.
That's your garlic.
The 5 cloves of garlic, which is minced. Okay, the 2 medium peppers, diced.
salt. Okay. You're gonna do the meat first.
To put this meat and mix it together.
This is taco wraps or tortilla wraps, okay? We have to cut this into two. Okay? Okay. Right. Okay. How it looks like when it's already cut. But beforehand, we have to make a paste. Okay? So this is 1/4 cup of water to mix with 1/4 cup of flour. You have to adjust how pasty it is. So it depends on how you prepared it, but of course you want to make it pasty. So the wrap will stick together when you apply the paste. Now it's cut into two pieces. To make a triangle, we have to fold it like this and use space. Okay. So how I have to put the paste. Will stick. And here, how it is,
cute.
okay?
Yeah.
So now we have to put this slice of mozzarella inside to put it here. This is how it is.
Like that, okay.
Mhm. And then now you can add the mixed mince meat. Let me hold it. Maybe better use the other kind. Okay.
You have to put the thing there also. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we have to
So
fold
you
it
should not fill
together.
up
Yeah.
so that you can press.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll help you.
Make sure it's really tight and
Use my hands.
secure.
I'll help you with it.
Okay. So this is it. This is how we make a triangle cheesesteak. Okay.
There you go. Well, that's cute. So that's good for the party, you know.
Yeah. It can be appetizer or a snack.
That's good.
May practice. Baka kailangan ay slow pa rito at Esther. Ano? Kasi mainit na mainit. Okay. This is it. Then you put one slice of triangle mozzarella cheese.
Ting-ting lang, pero it's worth it.
And then you can make the stuffing.
I think mine is small.
Ay, masyado mo na i-fold doon.
Kaya
Yung
nga,
pag-aabutin mo lang siya, tsaka mo
Ganon?
iti-tape. Tsaka mo siya iti-tape.
Okay.
Okay, this is...
Ganda yung gawa mo, Su, ah.
Hmm?
I think you can put anything in the wrap, ano.
Oo.
You want something else, you can put. Oh. It's my first time to make this.
So you
Diba?
fold it like this. And then you put it inside.
The hard part is this one.
Actually, if you want bigger one and it's yummy, put a lot of cheese, but you need to make it bigger. Instead of small, you can make it whole.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah. Well, mine doesn't stick.
You have to
Press more.
press more, tight, and secure. No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah, okay. You have to press it more.
Mm-hmm.
See?
And put more stuffing. See? Okay, now we're going to fry it. The oil is hot, then you can put this then you can put all this, and then but make sure you put it also on medium when it's really hot. You don't like to get it burned, okay? So now I just made this and medium heat, okay?
Where's your thing to cut it? You cut that so that to show them.
Alin?
Yung ikakat mo ganun para to show them.
Oh, no, hindi na ikakat. I-open lang ng kamay.
Ay, open mo na lang ang kamay.
Pakikita natin yung inside.
Sige.
Okay.
Wait a minute, there's the forky.
Okay.
Dalawa.
The finished product of what we did, and now we're going to taste it.
It's a Philly cheesesteak triangle.
So now, this is our snack. Okay, let's go. By the way, this is how it made. See the
Oh, you can see the cheese.
cheese.
The mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
Is that
Yummy.
it's yummy? Yeah. Very good. Wow.
Very good. It's good for the kids.
Very good. No, it's my first time to taste this also.
Thank you.
I'd say out of $10, you can make a plate of nothing.
So yummy. Very tasty, huh?
First best, give us a bit. Well, it's still hot. Yum,
So good, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The mozzarella cheese is chewy. This is a good. Because you learn how to cook now, you know how to do it now.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
It's like cheesesteak cups.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because in the village cheesesteak, they put onions also. Onions, garlic. Mm-hmm.
Is that salt there? It's not that.
So it's just right.
So good.
So 1/8 teaspoon of salt you put, right?
Yeah, 1/8.
And 1 pound of the meat.
Mm-hmm. 1 pound of beer.
Okay.
We called it cheesesteak beef. When you go there, meat steak, you call it.
Mm-hmm.
Tasty.
Mm-hmm. It's like a miniature
So good.
cheesesteak.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Give bring it. Kasi alam fine.
No, no. It's really good, guys. Okay, and so don't forget to follow us and also to subscribe us. Okay, thank you.
It's so good when it's fresh, freshly cooked.
I'm sorry, I'm busy enjoying this.
You cannot even talk, huh?